So we need to ask. First question is, what's risk? Have anybody before have any risk management training or no? So what do you think about risk?
Well, usually operations techniques compensated training, or at least organisational training.
Which is if not risk in terms of the business. What's risk as a term? What's risk?
I suppose it's risk.
So the risk in events that might have any effect on me. This could be something positive or negative. It's personal judgment. So like skydiving, someone see it as a sport, others seeing it as something stupid and very dangerous. It have I can measure the impact, so I know there is an impact. What is it? How much the impact will be? This is my own judgment, and it might happen or might not. So this is probability of occurrence, which is uncertainty. If you are certain about something, this is not a risk anymore.